Welcome back to AI Mind Blowing, your go-to channel for exploring the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and its applications. In today's video, we will delve into the realm of finance and discuss how AI is revolutionizing the way we approach financial management and decision-making. Get ready to discover the power of mastering finance with AI. What is AI in finance? Artificial intelligence, AI, and finance is the use of technology like machine learning, ML, that mimics human intelligence and decision-making to enhance how financial institutions analyze, manage, invest, and protect money. How is AI powering the future of financial services? AI in finance is modernizing the entire industry by streamlining traditionally manual banking processes and unlocking deeper insights from generated data, helping dictate how and where investments are made. AI is also changing the customer experience by creating faster, contactless interactions that include real-time credit approvals and improved fraud protection and cybersecurity. What are the benefits of AI in financial services? For financial institutions, AI lets organizations accelerate and automate historically manual and time-consuming tasks like market research. AI can quickly analyze large volumes of data to identify trends and help forecast future performance, letting investors chart investment growth and evaluate potential risk. Evaluation can also apply to insurance, where personal data can be harvested and used to determine coverage and premiums. AI can also be used for cybersecurity purposes, specifically identifying fraudulent transactions. By closely monitoring purchase behavior and comparing it to historical data, AI can flag anomalous activity, automatically alert both institution and customer to verify the purchase or transfer in real time, and if needed, take action to resolve it. For banking customers, AI and ML can improve the overall customer experience. The rise of online banking, i.e., contactless banking, minimizes the need for in-person interactions, but the shift to virtual can create more endpoint vulnerabilities, e.g., smartphones, desktops, and mobile devices. AI can automate many basic banking activities like payments, deposits, transfers, and customer service requests. AI can also handle application processes for credit cards and loans, including acceptance and rejection, providing near-instant responses. What are the challenges of AI in finance? While most institutions believe AI and ML can improve how they do business and give them a competitive edge, 98% according to one Forrester survey, about 80% to 85% of ML projects don't launch due to various logistical and management issues or last-mile problems, suggesting institutions need help from IT and AI network professionals to finish AI projects. Beyond logistics, financial organizations also face many security and compliance regulations because of the sensitive and personal information they use every day. Any AI solution must be capable of protecting that data and abide by industry and region-specific guidelines, since finance is a global concern and covers a large swath of companies. The sheer volume of data itself is a complex challenge. For any AI solution to work effectively, institutions must have all their data in orderly pipelines and silos, letting ML accurately predict and forecast markets according to specific business objectives. Finance students and practitioners may ask, can machines learn everything? Could AI help me? Computing students or practitioners may ask, which of my skills could contribute to finance? Where in finance should I pay attention? This book aims to answer these questions. No prior knowledge is expected in AI or finance. Including original research, the book explains the impact of ignoring computation in classical economics, examines the relationship between computing and finance, and points out potential misunderstandings between economists and computer scientists, and introduces directional change and explains how this can be used. To finance students and practitioners, this video will explain the promise of AI, as well as its limitations. It will cover knowledge representation, modeling, simulation, and machine learning, explaining the principles of how they work. To computing students and practitioners, this video will introduce the financial applications in which AI has made an impact. This includes algorithmic trading, forecasting, risk analysis, portfolio optimization, and other less well-known areas in finance. Trading depth for readability. AI for finance will help readers decide whether to invest more time into the subject. Understanding the role of AI in finance. Before we dive into the specifics, let's first understand the role of AI in the field of finance. AI algorithms have the ability to analyze vast amounts of financial data, identify patterns, and make predictions. This enables us to make more informed decisions, minimize risks, and maximize returns. AI is transforming the finance industry, and it's crucial to stay updated on these advancements. AI in financial analysis and forecasting. One of the key areas where AI is making a significant impact is in financial analysis and forecasting. AI algorithms can analyze historical data, market trends, and even news sentiment to generate accurate predictions about stock prices, market movements, and economic indicators. This empowers investors and financial professionals to make more precise investment decisions. AI-powered trading strategies. AI is also being used to develop advanced trading strategies. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of historical trading data to identify patterns and trends that might not be visible to human traders. This enables AI-powered trading systems to execute trades at lightning-fast speeds, taking advantage of market inefficiencies and generating profits. Risk management and fraud detection. AI has proven to be invaluable in risk management and fraud detection within the finance industry. Machine learning algorithms can identify anomalies in financial transactions, flagging potential fraudulent activities and helping to prevent financial crimes. Additionally, AI can analyze market risks and provide real-time insights to mitigate potential losses. Personal finance and AI assistance. AI is not only transforming the finance industry at a macro level, but also at an individual level. Personal finance management apps and AI assistants are becoming increasingly popular. These tools can help individuals track their spending habits, create budgets, and provide personalized financial advice based on their unique financial goals. Conclusion. As we conclude this video, it's evident that AI is revolutionizing the finance industry in numerous ways. From financial analysis and forecasting to trading strategies, risk management, and personal finance, AI is transforming the way we approach and master finance. Stay tuned to AI Mind Blowing for more exciting updates on AI's impact in various industries. Thank you for joining us today on AI Mind Blowing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing content. Until next time, keep exploring the limitless possibilities of AI.